Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to copy link from Instagram comments. So let's say for example I'm gonna go to my avatar icon right here and you're gonna see this is the post that I added link for. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a screenshot and I'm gonna go back to my photos and see the screenshot that I just did. So there's two ways to do that. One, you can see the reader icon on your phone right here, and as you can see you can just hold and copy the link to open it on your Safari. There's a second way, which is easy way as well. You can just zoom in and hold, okay, and click open link, and it will direct you to the particular link that's been provided. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.